and they can see our next talent. This is Becky Robinson now, and I understand you have a couple of performances today, and you're dedicating it to a few people.
Yes, I'm dedicating it to my brother Frank Simmons, who passed away 5 years ago yesterday from lung cancer, my mother-in-law Jan Robinson, who also passed away with breast cancer, and to my friend Sue Helt, who is fighting cancer right now.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much. The floor is yours.
Thank you.
When I wake up in the morning, put my feet on the floor, I thank Him for the day that He gave me one more. I give Him all the praise, the one that I adore. That's Jesus, oh, that's Jesus. If lost and all alone, my heart in need of help, I found eternal life and lost my fear of death. Because I know the author of my every breath. That's Jesus, oh, that's Jesus. God of glory, majesty, Jesus, oh, that's Jesus. If you're a soul that's lost and in need of direction, you wonder when you die if you'll go to heaven. Well, friend, I found the answer to that very question. That's Jesus, oh, that's Jesus. God